In this video, we'll show you how to fix your PS5 turning off by itself. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if your PS5 is crashing, lagging, or even shutting down mid-game, I'll show you how to fix it. Alright, so first we're going to check for software problems. Go to the top right and select the gear icon to go to settings, and then go to users and account, go to other on the left tab, and then hit restore licenses, select all of your game, and hit restore. Wait a bit and hit OK. Now you can go back and then scroll down to system, go to system software, and then system software update and settings, select update system software, update using internet, and update your PS5 if you have one. It'll restart your PC, and once you're back, you can test if that helps. Now, if your PS5 is still turning off by itself, we're gonna go to safe mode to fix it. So first, you're gonna turn off your PS5 completely, wait until the lights is off, and then you're gonna press and hold the power button for about 7 to 10 seconds. Connect controller via USB, hit the PS button, and you'll go here. Now, once you're here, you wanna go to clear cache and rebuild database, and select clear system software cache. Hit OK. It will take a moment, and once your PC restart, you can test if that fixes it. If it doesn't, you can go back to safe mode and this time select rebuild database. It will take hours to rebuild the database, so make sure you're ready to do that. Alright, another thing you can check is overheating. So make sure your PS5 has a good airflow. If you have the PS5 for a long time, you can try to clean the fan to improve the airflow. We have a video covering how to remove the plates and covers on PS5, so go ahead and watch that. And that's it for now.